The Solent LEP is an organisation that is enabling the region to become a coastal powerhouse. By investing in maritime business growth and supporting our coastal communities on the mainland and the Isle of Wight, Solent LEP is reimagining and innovating in the maritime sector, while supporting talent development to ensure that the Solent retains and builds on its status as a coastal maritime powerhouse.
Solent LEP provides a catalyst for economic development.
They are extremely helpful and guide organisations through the processes to create stimulus.
Vicoma's been on the Isle of Wight now for 50 years and we manufacture oil spill equipment. A few years ago we were looking for new investment, so our private equity funders put us in touch with the LEP. We discussed how the LEP could actually help us out and to turn this business around and provide some growth for the future.
BAE Systems here in Portsmouth looks after the surface fleet. We work very closely with Portsmouth City Council. We became aware of what we can do with the Solent LEP in terms of funding. Two big projects were Skills Development Centre and the consolidation of workshop. Previously Victorian workshops, now consolidated that into a modern facility with all the kind of equipments and machinery they need to learn their modern skills.
Port of Southampton is the UK's biggest export port. We export goods right across the world, important not just for Southampton and the region, but also for the whole of the UK. With the LEP, we will be looking at how we can optimise in terms of green energy to make sure we can really avoid emissions from ships in port in the future.
MHI Vestas is at the cutting edge. The blades that we're producing are the biggest blades that are being serially produced within the globe. The Solent LEP have supported us. They work very, very hard with the Isle of Wight Council to put in the CCAM building. We are now benefiting from that training centre. In fact, all of our new employees, they spend a week down at this building going through the basic skills in how to manufacture a blade.
We provide a whole range of training, including electronics, mechanical, marine. We've always worked very closely with Solent LEP. They have been very supportive of the island and really have a great understanding of our island industries.
Seamast was built 5 years ago, part funded by the LEP, and is a centre that's specifically responsible for the education and training of students who are looking to go into the engineering industry. The LEP has been very supportive of all of the initiatives that we've carried out. For example, we are now just embarking on building a new civil engineering training centre, which again has been funded 60% match funding by the LEP on a £4.1 million build. The LEP are a very forward-looking body who are striving to achieve the best for the region. Our business is about providing people into the jobs of the future.
They recognise where the growth industries are. Having a LEP that recognises that is invaluable.
They've helped us grow, and without their support we wouldn't be where we are now, and I'm pretty confident they're doing the same for other businesses in the region too.
Without the Solent LEP really fighting the corner for this region, I think that we wouldn't have seen some of the growth that we've had here over the last few years.
Solent LEP gives the opportunity for real clarity of focus of what we're trying to do as a region, to make sure we can speak with one voice. We talk with government to make sure we can punch at our weight and above our weight, so that for the future we can make sure that we really can deliver not just for the area but also for the UK.